Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will explain again how to create a simple batch file that displays your computer's last boot time and system uptime in both raw format and a clean, user-friendly format. This batch file is very useful for anyone who wants to monitor system stability, troubleshoot performance issues, or simply check how long their computer has been running without restarting. Temporary glitches, memory leaks, and slow performance often occur after extended periods of operation. So knowing this information is very helpful. Okay, let's get started. First, create a new text document. Right-click on any empty space on your desktop, select New, and then Text Document. Open the new text file and paste the command. Regarding the command, I'll leave the full file for download in the video description, and you'll also find the batch file there. I will quickly explain what these codes mean. Certainly, @echo_off hides the echo of commands to ensure the outputs are clear, and echo system uptime raw output prints a header for the raw output section. As for this command, in short, it opens PowerShell within the batch file and runs get WMI object to retrieve system information. It selects only the last boot up time property and displays the boot time in its raw format. And echoes system uptime, user-friendly format, is a heading to provide more readable output. This command retrieves system information again, stores it, and converts the boot time into a special WMI format. This line converts it to a regular date and time format that is easier to read. It also calculates the uptime by subtracting the boot time from the current time, resulting in a total of days, hours, minutes, and seconds, thus displaying the uptime clearly and easily. Finally, echo pause allows the user to read the results before closing the window. The next step is to save this command as a batch file. Click File and select Save As from the menu. Choose a suitable location to save the batch file, and save the file with a descriptive name. For example, Show Uptime. Be sure to save the file with the .bat extension and click Save. The batch file will be created on your desktop immediately. To run the batch file, double-click it or right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Now the command prompt window will open. It will only take a few seconds to display the results quickly. You will see the startup and run times clearly displayed. If you want to exit, click any button to close the command prompt window. But before we close, let me quickly explain the output. First, the raw output. You'll find that it displays the original takeoff time in WMI format, which is a timestamp. 2025 is the year, 12 is the month, 9 is the day, 13 is the time, 23 is the minutes, and 34 is the seconds. All numbers after the decimal point are fractions of a second, and the plus 120 represents the time zone offset in minutes. This raw format is easy to use but difficult to read. However, below, we have another output that is easier to read. Last boot time. This displays the exact date and time of the last boot of the computer. We also have uptime, which shows how long the system has been running since that boot. I believe this output is easier to read and use. This batch file quickly displays both the raw system boot timestamp and the clear, readable boot time in days, hours, minutes, and seconds. It's a fast and reliable tool for troubleshooting, scheduling maintenance, or even checking the uptime of your server or workstation. If you liked this video, click like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.